Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my dear investors, my subscriber. My name is Olashile David from Salesville Property. This is the new listing in one of the most secure estates in the axis of Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. We call it the Lekki County Homes, and this is the edifice that I have for you. It's a beautiful one, contemporary one, because when you get inside, you will see what I am talking about. This has indoor swimming pool. So if you don't want your swimming pool to be outside, you are looking for something contemporary, this is it. This is going for 250 million naira. It's a 5-bedroom with a cinema, a porch. It has a BQ, and also with an indoor swimming pool. We have a lot of things. I will list all the features of this house. I will list it out so that you can see. So this is on 400 square meter of land. We have 2 units available, and each is going for 250 million naira. As you can see, the compound, it can park 4 cars conveniently. I will take you inside now so that you can see what we have for you. This is Lekki County Home in Ikota, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So let's go inside. So check the finishing of this house. This is a very good one, and this is the door. So see the door. This is, you can see the height. Yes, this house with extra height. And what I'm telling you is that if you are looking for a contemporary house, this is one of it. This is like an ante room, and here we have the visitors toilet. So come and check it, because this house is massive. Yes. Okay, so this is it. We have our living room here. You can see this is it. See what we've been able to put together, and see this is what I'm telling you. This is the indoor swimming pool that we have here. So this is it, and we have a room here. So let me show you. If you can see, your friends can come here, and you know there's a way you can set up this place that it will really make sense. So this is a room here. You can see we have our wardrobe, and we have our toilets and the bathroom. All room here are en suite. So just look at it. Yes, this is one of the best estates you can invest here. So let's go. Yes, this is, I like this swimming pool area. This is the indoor one. There's a way you can do it, and this place you can just put your chair, you know now. All right, so we have our kitchen. So this is our kitchen. You can see how spacious this kitchen is. So we have our washing machine here. We have our sink here. So we have our heat extractor. You can see the contemporary one, which we have our cooker here. So this is it. If I light this place up, you will know that this is a very good one. We have our microwave and oven here. So, and here we have the pantry. So this is our pantry. See how beautiful this pantry is. So you can see what I am telling you. So this is the kitchen, and this is very, very spacious. I will take you to the next floor now, which we have our master bedroom. Yes, we have the master bedroom and other 3 rooms, because we have a room downstairs, and the other 4 rooms plus the master bedroom is upstairs. So let's go upstairs. Welcome upstairs. So here we have our cinema. So it's dark, you know how cinema is now. So this is our cinema, and you see, you just need to bring your chair, and this is very good. So look at what we have here. So you can see that this is it. And here we have central speaker in this house. I don't think I mentioned that. So we have the cinema. This is a second room. It's the first room upstairs, but you know we have a room downstairs. So let me call it a second room. So come and see what we have here. We have the toilets and the bathroom, the water heater. We have the shower cubicle, and also don't forget we have the wardrobe. Yes, where you can put your things. So this is it. Then let me take you to the next room. Let's go to the next room. So this is the next room. So this is second room upstairs. which means it's the third room in this house that we will enter. So we have our toilets and the bathroom. Yes, all room and en suite, and we have our wardrobe. So see it. This is it. Yes. Also, let's go to the next room. See the space in this house. This is a fantastic one. So let's go. So this is the third room here. Come and see. This is the third room, and with toilets and the bathroom. You can see. So this is it, and also we have our wardrobe here. So this is the third room upstairs, which means the fourth room in this building. And also, yes, this is a master. We call it master bedroom. So actually it's called primary room. So this is the primary room, and also everything is top notch here. The style of the toilet, the bathroom is a contemporary one. Here's the walk-in closet. This is very massive. So check it out. You can see the walk-in closet. You see where you can put your shoes, boxers, lingerie. You see everything. So where you can keep everything. So you see where you can put your shoes. You see, and also the toilet. You can see this is it. This is where the toilet is, and also here we have the sink and where you can store your things. So look at it. This is a very good one. Also the mirror. There we have jacuzzi here. See how it is, and we have the where you can the standing shower where you can shower. This is going for 250 million naira. Yes, we have 2 units, meaning that if you are taking the 2, it's 500 million naira. This is inside Lekki County Home in Ikota, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. And don't forget, we have a room BQ downstairs that is attached to the building. So this is the best time to invest in this. You can rent it out as high as 10 million naira, 12 million naira, depending on what you are looking for. Maybe you want to live here, or also you want to do investment with it. My number is showing on the screen. Call me right away. This is going for 250 million naira, which you can pay at once because the developer wants to move to another estate. So we have 2 for 500 million. And this one, if you want to buy one, is 250 million. So invest. If you bought one last year, you can buy another one this year. So this is the best time. This is contemporary building, 5-bedroom with indoor swimming pool, and we have a BQ. And I will list every other features that we have here. So we have a patio, we have a central speaker in this house. We have a lot of things. So my number is showing on the screen. I still remain Olashile David from Salesville Property. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your bell notification. Anytime I post any of this juicy deal, you will be the first person to see it. Comment, like, share to your friends and family. This is the best time to invest in this, and this is the best time. This is a home, it's not a house. I will be expecting your call. Bye.